I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.
Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a while. It's been like 7 months since I did a YouTube video. To all of my 61 subscribers, thank you so much for all the love. You guys rock. And yeah, so today I'm doing an urbanic haul. So it's a little ironic that I'm doing an urbanic haul right after a thrift haul, but honestly it was more like an experiment for me. I wanted to make sure that, like, I wanted to see what the hype was about, and I also wanted to see whether what you actually see on the internet and what you get are the same thing. It clearly was not for me in my case. I've heard a lot of reviews. Some people love urbanic, some people absolutely hate it. I personally did not love it, but I'm gonna do a haul for you. I'm gonna do a try on haul today. You can also get an idea of the quality, you can get an idea of the fit. So I'm gonna try everything out for you guys, even though it's gonna take a while. But yeah, I really really hope you appreciate the effort, and I hope you guys like it, so stay tuned. Okay, so my first top is this really cute pink Y2K inspired top. It's this pink and like little yellow checked top with these bows, and yeah, it's a cami top. And I really like sleeveless cami tops wearing, it's very easy to throw it with just a pair of loose jeans, but it just doesn't fit me. I have to get this one altered for sure. You can just get it altered at a local tailor, so that's not a problem. But then again, like, I just wish it fit, because I bought the smallest size possible, which they had, which was an XS, and it's just way too big for an XS. The material is a synthetic material, so maybe if some people just don't like that because it's not breathable, but I don't know, I really like it. I just wish it fit me. But other than that, yeah, that does look like what Urbanic shows on its website, so that's a plus. I would give it like a 6 on 10. And yeah, it's pretty cheap. It's 590 rupees. My all-time favorite, I really really like this. It's this really cute monochrome print halter top. And yeah, I did a little cheating. This is the one I was telling you guys about that I already altered. I should have waited, but I just couldn't wait because I wanted to wear it somewhere, so I got it altered. And yeah, it was very very loose when it came. This part was too big, even though it's a very stretchy material. It was too big for me, so I got it altered. That I got it cut as well. It was really long. I wanted it to be sort of cropped, so that I can wear it with jeans. And there's a shop called Verge Girl, Verge. I don't know how you pronounce it, and they have these kind of tops which retail for like $30-40. So that way, if you compare, like, this is worth the money, except the fact that you have to alter it if you are on my size. So yeah, I like that one. I would give that like a 9 on 10. The next one is an utter failure. It looks so big. How is this even going to fit me? It's huge. So yeah, this was, I think, one of the worst that I have, and the material is so thick. I don't know if y'all can see, this material is just too thick for me and just doesn't fit in the right areas. It has a lot of creases, if y'all can see all the creases. Yeah, if you can see in the video too, just doesn't fit me. The waste of 890 rupees. So yeah, utter failure. Please save your money and don't buy this. Next thing is this orange Y2K athletic sort of inspired top, and it's again the knit material, which I really really like. Okay, so again, if you can see, it's too big for me, and if you can see in my clip, it's just too big for me. Again, I need to get this one altered because I really like this and I really want to wear this with jeans. I just don't know what's my obsession with jeans and a cami top. And I don't know, it's an easy outfit to put together, a very casual outfit. I'm obsessed with this color. I've been into ordering a lot of orange color. I don't know, I just feel like it goes well with our Indian complexion. So yeah, this I like. I just wish it fit. Retails for 790 rupees. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that we have is again a halter top. Honestly, it does look like how it was in the picture. However, the problem is, I don't know if y'all can see it. Does it not look like a baby's, like, what do you call that? That overalls that a baby wears, like a bodysuit kind of thing where you clip it on for babies. I don't know if it's just me, but that's what it looks like to me. The fit is nice around my chest, but I'm not really sure about this triangular thing. Like I understand that the cut is like that, and I've seen tops where it cuts, where on your waist it cuts like that, but this cut is too low. Like compared to the back, it's too low for me. So I'm like okay about it. Would give it like a 4 on 10. Material though is good. Like it does not feel cheap. So what I'm thinking is I'll probably just cut this part off and make it like a normal halter top. I don't know, I'm just trying to make do with these clothes. Honestly, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I think I'll just cut it and wear it. Next we have, okay, this was a good buy. Tube top with the really nice fabric. It's not the, like, it's not transparent, which is good. Oops. Okay, so yeah, also cost $690, so I think it's worth it. Again, I would wear it with my jeans, like a loose light color jeans. I like this, it's a good buy. I like the color. The navy color is really pretty, and yeah, I feel like this is gonna fit. You will see in the video how it fits me. Okay, now to a major fail. Honestly, someone tell me, what is this? It has zero shape. When I got it, I was so confused. See, I understand the point of it. It's supposed to be like it's supposed to be cinched on either sides, but honestly, look at the back. You know those people who take like their old clothes and they rework it? I wish I could do that, but I have zero skills in sewing and all that kind of stuff. So such a waste. I was actually genuinely really excited for this one because I like the print. It's again this Y2K Pinterest inspired top, but honestly don't know what I'm going to do with this. I just wish it fit me. As you can see in this video, I don't know how to wear this. I don't know what to do with this. The material is like a net material. It's transparent. Yeah, again, this was I think the biggest fail. This one, I just saw this and I'm so confused. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this one. It doesn't not look like an apron. What is this? Somebody please explain. What is this? Material is so thick. Look at this. Mittens that you take stuff out from the oven. That's the material. It's a corset inspired cut, but the material though, I just don't think I want mittens covering me. I was into the whole mint green, those subtle green vibes, but this green is like a parrot green. Yeah, it's a waste of about 1,000 rupees of your money. Big no. I'm really sorry, I just can't try this on and show you guys. Anyway, it's quite useless to me. I can't wear this. It looks really complicated. And yeah, I'm sorry, let's continue. Okay, this is my all-time favorite. The material is so thick and I don't know, it does not feel like it's only, okay, it's a bit expensive. It's 1490, but I think it's totally worth it. See, I've seen a lot of people wear these short collar dresses with, you know, white sneakers. I don't know, I really like this. And more importantly for me, what's important is the fit. And if you can see in this video, it fits so well. Like it hugs you on all the right places. My bum looks cute, so that's a plus point. And yeah, I recommend this. I think out of all things that I bought, this is going to be my favorite. And I genuinely thought that when I get this one, the material is going to be the thin you know, that very thin see-through material. But this thing looks, I don't know if y'all can see, it's pretty thick and I don't know, feels pretty solid. Yeah, again, I bought everything in the smallest size. This was in the XS or the S or whatever they had. And yeah, my favorite. I'm tired. Okay, but last but not the least is this one. Halter, not halter. What do you call this? Yeah, halter, right? It has these cuts on either sides. It's a little thin material, but it's not transparent. You'd probably have to wear your booby stickers or your strapless bra with this. Okay, honestly, now with the light that I'm seeing, it is a little transparent. I like the color. It's like an ashy gray, and it's very comfortable. Again, something that you can quickly throw on and just go for a casual lunch or like just go out in the city. So yeah, this is something I really like. I'm definitely gonna wear this. So once again, I think I told you guys that I like this black dress. So these two are my personal favorites. Planning to buy from Urbanik, just get these two and the job is done. I'm dumb and I forgot to end the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not good at this video shaking, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. I love all my 61 subscribers. Thanks for the support, and please, like the usual thing, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you for my next video. Love you.